Our new facility in Rotherham will be used to test materials and structures that we may use to actually build a future fusion power plant. We will be able to simulate many of the challenging conditions that will be found within a plant to verify the suitability of those materials. The facility will be available for UK industry to test and validate their products and processes so that these companies can then more confidently offer bids to ITER and to other future fusion projects. The site at Waverley Park in Rotherham was carefully selected for two main reasons. Firstly, the proximity to a number of relevant research organisations such as the University of Sheffield, Nuclear AMRC, and secondly, it enables us to engage with a large number of UK manufacturing organisations.